Hello and welcome to the FarmTrack log app demo. My name is Chris Karasavich. I'm the CEO of FarmTrack Technologies. I'm going to walk you through today the basics of how to use the app, and then we're going to show another video on how to use the online dashboard that is separate from this. So once you create an account, you can log in without having to confirm your email address. We just changed that. First screen you're going to see is this one. So it's an immediate search column. So if you have animals in there already, you're going to see them as you punch in a tag number or RFID number. If you don't have that animal's tag in there, then you're not going to find anything. So let's create a new animal. So we don't have this one. We'll call it 1, 2, 3, 4 test. In the top right, we're going to click on that plus sign. That'll allow us to make a new log. So right away, you can enter the RFID. You don't need to. Let's just make one up for now. The type that I'm going to put in, say it's a calf, sex, female, herd. So I have 3 herds created here. If it wasn't in this herd, I could add it to another one. I could just create one. I'm going to put in herd 1. And pen, I'm going to say it's in pen 3. I have a bull in pen 1. So I have a bull in pen 3. So I'm going to add this one to pen 1. That's where he's located. Calving info. So here now, if you have your cows and bulls registered, you can connect them. So attach the dam. I know which bull helped conceive, so I'm going to add the bull. So now, as years down the line, we can directly correlate those calving results to the bull and cows. Twin status, not a twin. You don't have to add this, but you can. Birth data, say it's nursed healthy. And then the birth date, we'll say she was born 18 days ago. So all I'm doing is I'm clicking into these, I'm choosing my field, and then I'm just clicking out on the blue there. There's no check mark there, so you don't have to click the check mark. It is a little different on other parts of the app, I'll show you. So here we just submit and create a log. And now it's blank. So what we can do is we can either click that at the bottom of the screen there, we can either click the little plus sign, or we can drag to add a new session. So this is our first session, so we'll say his weight is 100 pounds, her weight, sorry. Feed type, this we're still working on, we'll just say 50 pounds right now for grains. And you see the little check mark in the bottom right, we have to click that check mark. We don't click out on the blue, we click the check mark to save it. And now we can click out on the top blue part, and that'll add it in, so you can see grain 50 there. Animal health. So here we just have different vaccines and hormones that you can add in. If you're to click on one, you can add a new vaccine. We don't have any names in there right now. Same thing with hormones. Hormone 1 and 2, but you can add a hormone in if you'd like. Under disease management, this is where it gets pretty interesting. So if he has an issue, say a calf scour, now here again, you just click out at the top of the screen. That'll add it. A medication used. No medication, so you just hit the add button at the top right there. The name, I'll just say Draxon. Withdrawal time, we'll say till January the 20th, so we'll say till January 11th. Route, say intramuscular. Quantity, we'll say oh, see, I didn't click the check mark there, so I have to click the check mark at the bottom to save that one. I'll say mLs, and here we don't, we just click out. And then if we get, now it's all saved there automatically, so we'll go back, so you can see Draxon 50 mLs, back. If we wanted to add a photo, we could. That'll say that, which will show you in the future like what the problem was. But now if we just click out, that disease was saved in there. If we want to sell the calf, we can mark for sale, put notes, or we can just add additional notes at the bottom. So if you want to add a photo, as I'm currently on a computer, I can show you how to do that. So all you have to do is click at the top right, click the photo button there. It'll come up on your screen. So I'll just take a photo of this calf from my computer screen here. Pretend I'm outside. So you take a photo, use photo, or you can retake it, and then here you just have to make it fit inside the box. So you shrink it down, use your 2 fingers to pinch it in and fit inside the box. So it's in there, you choose, so now he's got a photo added. So now if you're all done for this record, you hit the search button in the top right. That'll take you back to the search screen, or you can choose the pencil in the top right to edit any of those. Just click save if you do. So on the top left, you click the search icon. Now we can go back to our search pattern. Now see we have 4 cattle in there. So if I want to go into see my bull, I can click on my bull. So there's my bull, and there's all his information. 8 years old, in pen 3, herd 1, bull type. So all the main information at the top stays there to show you. If you want to create a new, really just pull to the right, and that'll create a new log entry. And if we go to the hamburger menu in the top left, that'll show you, your herd catalog. You can set to offline mode. So this is nice because if you're out in the field and you have bad reception, if you turn the offline mode on, it won't try to constantly sync with your internet, because all the information you're saving here goes up to the cloud and then is available on your online dashboard. So once you go inside and turn that offline mode off, then it'll automatically sync up with your web dashboard and allow you to edit the logs in that. Go under herd catalog. That'll show you the different herds I've created, 1, 2, and 3, and the animals that are under that herd. So you can go to calf, and you can immediately go in there to see that's the one that we created before. So now if we're in this cow and we want to see what kind of disease he had, so we can go in to see it. See, it had a foot rot. We can see a photo of the foot rot there. So this is available at any time. So once we have multiple logbooks, you can just swipe through other logs. So I'll show you here. So if we decide to make a new log for this cow, so weight, everything can stay the same. Maybe we just change the health. We just notes. We say re-administered. Another dose, so everything can stay the same. Go out. Now we can go back between logs, creating them on the same day. That's why they're not. It's not new, but you can see the new writing in blue there to show that we have a new entry. So now as we exit here, so that's basically it. And then when you want to log out, you click log out, or you can just exit the app and you'll get logged in every time. And that's the app.